Hello YouTube. In this video I will be unboxing the Ultimaxx Studio Series shutter release remote control. Replicates all shutter release button functions. Remote shutter release card is used to prevent vibration when taking photos under long exposure, close-ups, or continuation shooting. It is designed for Canon or other compatible brands. Not sure if mirrorless camera works on this thing, so might want to figure out myself. Same thing on the other side. On the back, it is compatible with Canon DSLR cameras like the Canon Rebel T7, 2000D, and many more, as well as the Canon PowerShot, Samsung Pentax, and Sigma. Shows you a picture of the remote control again, and the gold tip plug. Here's the remote control. It's in the plastic, which we will take out. Let me clear the contents. First we get is a user guide, in case if you want to know how to use it. Take out the other one. And then this one is the warranty, which we will not need it. So here's the remote control, and here's its wire. On the back, you got that nice textured grip. It's really nice. Feels so good when resting your thumbs on it. This is the button to take a photo when it's plugged into the DSLR camera. And if you want to hold it, you can slide up. Press and hold, slide up, and you'll see that orange. Really cool. And to plug this, you have to have a DSLR camera like the Canon EOS 2000D, which I have right here, which is the international version of the T7. And this is where you're gonna plug in the remote control with this jack right here. Plug it in, and there you go. You press this button to take a photo. I'm not sure if I really want to use this, but most of the time I'm not gonna use it, so we're just gonna disconnect it. And there you go, I take it out. So yeah, that's the unboxing video of the Ultimaxx shutter release remote control. If you enjoyed that video, please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time.